Don't be scared. I'm sure you can afford health care. You know, dealing with you people is torture. Reading your incomprehensible contracts hurts my eyes. I already wear glasses, for heaven's sake, and all of these little parts of these contracts, it would take a Philadelphia lawyer to figure them out. What happens if you go blind? I'm not asking for much, just a one-page agreement.
Sure.
Another thing, the constantly changing rates are so unclear. I would like to know the interest at the time of my purchase. How about having the monthly interest rates printed on the card?
But that's how we make our money! We want you to miss your payments and get those high interest rates.
Exactly. Taking the money out of our pockets with your greedy hands. One more thing. I would like to check my monthly statements with an online calculator.
Yeah, I'll see what my people can do.
If it's unclear, then I'll do what I should have done a long time ago.